What is going on, YouTube? Just helping you out here. And for today's video, I would like to do a second review on the Zagg InvisibleShield Glass Curved Screen Protector. If you haven't seen the first video, you should go back and check that out. I highly recommend it. I have the packaging here to go over what is advertised versus what I have experienced with this protector. The first thing on the list is a custom curve fit and smooth all clear design, and I agree with both of those. The protector does fit the screen rather well, and the glass itself is very smooth. There is also a bit of tolerance on the edge of the screen protector, so as you can see, there is like a little bit of space between my protector and my case. This was designed purposely so that the screen protector would accommodate for many different types of cases. The next thing on the list is impact and scratch protection. With my experience, the protector cracks fairly easily, and I want to go through and talk about the types of things that cracked and scratched my protector. Now, it is a bit hard to see on camera, but I do have a crack right here, there's one up here, and I don't know if you can also see, but there is some of the glass is chipping up here and over here as well. All these cracks came from just pressure being in my pocket. Like, I would have the phone in my pocket and I would just take it out and those cracks would be there. So that's just straight up from pocket pressure. And the glass that chips away, you could possibly cut yourself on it, so that's also a big problem. Now, if I move this back and forth, you can kind of see a big crack that starts here and comes up around like this to the top up here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that crack started right here. You can kind of see that this is a big contact spot. There is glass chippage right there. And basically how this one happened is I was at college and I dropped my phone on my desk, and this edge happened to hit the edge of the desk, and it started out as just a contact spot that had like a lot of shatter right there, and then as I used the phone more, it spidered out like this, and then it spidered out to this big crack up here. As you can see here, we have another crack that you see goes across like this. That one also started as a contact spot right here. Same thing, there's glass chipping. This one happened, I was actually playing around with a TV remote, and I dropped it right on this edge right here, so that was a big contact spot, and then it did the same thing, it spidered out. And then the very last one is right here. You can see the cracks right around here, and those were strictly just from clicking the home button on my phone. Just from the pressure of me pushing, it cracked the screen protector. And I don't think you're going to be able to see this on camera, but there is a very small scratch. Actually, you can see it right there. There's a very small scratch right where my finger is. That happened with a skateboard. The grip tape is kind of like sandpaper, so that scratched the screen there. I can't imagine too many things being able to scratch the screen protector. Obviously, if you like sat there and scratched it with a rock, it would definitely scratch, but just from everyday use, I couldn't see it getting scratched too easily. The only thing is, the ways that I cracked the screen protector are rather minor, so you can kind of get an idea of how easy it is to crack it. So I wouldn't say that this screen protector is the most durable thing. And also, I have a friend at college who just pushed the middle of his phone screen protector right here, right in the middle, and that cracked the protector. It wasn't shattered, but it had the spider cracks like I have on mine. The next thing on the list is precision touch and high definition clarity. The protector does appear to lower resolution clarity by a tiny bit, and I think the protector lowers touch sensitivity by a significant amount, and it is also not very even. There are some spots where touch sensitivity is great, but other spots where I sometimes have to press pretty hard to register the touch, especially around the edges, so just around the entire edge of the phone. This makes it difficult to text sometimes and can be irritating overall, no matter what I'm using the phone for. It is also difficult to pull down from the top and pull up from the bottom. If the protector was applied perfectly, touch sensitivity would probably be fine, but it isn't completely realistic to apply it perfectly. The next thing is smudge resistance. The protector does smudge less and is more resistant to fingerprints than the actual phone screen, but it still does smudge and fingerprint. And next we have easy application. The protector is pretty easy to apply since it comes with tabs on the top and the bottom that you can remove once the protector is on. but it's so you don't actually touch the protector as you apply it. It also comes with a tray that you put on the phone first, so you can align the protector and make sure it is centered on your screen. However, this does not guarantee the protector will be put on perfectly, as discussed before. Another issue I have with this protector is some of the edges of the protector have come up a little, and that allows dust and other particles to get under it. I have experienced this with dust and some dog hair. I don't know if you will be able to see it, but in the corner right there, you can sort of see some dog hair under there, and I won't be able to get that out unless I take the protector off, and if you try to take it off, it'll most likely break the whole thing. This could be a major issue if something else happens to get under it, like food or liquid. Then I would probably have to remove it and get a new one anyways. This protector was $50 for this particular device, the Samsung Galaxy S8, and it does come with a lifetime warranty as long as you keep the same device. You just send them the broken protector and they will send you a new one. Overall, it is hard to say whether I think this protector is worth the cost. Personally, I think the protector has a good bit of issues, and I have gotten used to the issues it has, but to other people they might be a little more irritating and not worth the cost. You could always send it back and get a new one if you have problems with the one you are currently using, or it just breaks easily, or really anything. You could always just send it back and get a new one if you have any sorts of problems with it. I'm sure there are plenty of other protectors and cases that do more than this one and have less issues for a lower cost. In the end, this protector was designed to ensure your actual phone screen does not get damaged, which it has done, but like I said, I don't know if the investment is worth the issues. I'm kind of on the fence just because I don't have too much experience with other protectors. I don't know if issues such as the dust getting under it or anything like that is any different with another protector. That's my opinion on the protector. Others who have used it may have a completely different opinion, but just wanted to let you guys know how I felt about it. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please drop a like, leave a comment if you have a question about the protector or an idea for a future video. And lastly, please don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about my channel so I can grow and help more of you guys out. I'm just helping you out. See you in the next video.